First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
A beautiful day for our Monday, and today will be just as nice. Some of you picked up a little bit of light rain or just sprinkles. Some of you didn't get much of anything at all late last night, early this morning. Radar depicting a little bit of activity down around the Cumberland Plateau. That is moving away from us. As that best energy moves away, we'll see a return to sunshine. Now, the mix of sun and clouds today, very mild too this morning, 56 degrees currently. As we look around, the past 12-hour temperature, 67 is where we started last evening at 7 o'clock, and then the temperature started to take a little bit of a dive, but really it didn't cool off that much. We're in the 50s right now with that just nice drop in the 60s during the evening hours. Been a while since we've actually seen just temperatures in the mid to upper 50s to low 60s during the nighttime, especially since yesterday morning when we had those temperatures starting out in the upper 20s. But this is much better. Temperatures in the 50s, even low 60s this morning. 60 in Hartford, 60 in Edmonton at the Mesonet site there, 55 in Munfordville, Hardinsburg at 57, 54 in Russellville, 55 Hopkinsville, 58 in Franklin right now. Here is a live view from our AAA Systems Doppler cam. As we're looking off to the east this morning, notice how the skies have cleared over the Bowling Green area, but as we're looking east, you can see that bank of clouds there off in the distance. Those are the clouds left over from the sprinkles and some of the light rain that we picked up in a few areas this morning. 59 degrees current temperature reading, southwest winds at 3 and a rising barometer. We check the air quality, and unfortunately this is going to be common over the next several days. In the red zone, in fact, extremely high pollen count, mainly the trees, juniper, maple, and elm are the three big culprits here. So get used to that being in the red for a while. It looks like for at least the next week it is going to be up into the high category. Ozone is good. Molds are moderate. That's something else that has come up a little bit more in zone for today and for the next few days. UV index moderately high today with that mix of clouds and sunshine. Hometown forecast today presented by the Kentucky Lottery around the Barren River Lake area. Here in Bowling Green, we're looking for a high of 76 degrees. Same for Franklin and Scottsville, 75 for Glasgow. By the way, the Kentucky Lottery Powerball jackpot for Wednesday night's drawing estimated to be at $60 million. Next Mega Millions drawing estimated to be at $20 million. Here's a live view in our HD weather cam in Greenville. Muhlenberg County, you're starting mainly clear now after some morning clouds. You're at 60 degrees. Glasgow, you're starting clear with some clouds out east of you now, 58. Your temperature, you did not pick up any measurable precipitation there, just some sprinkles. And we're seeing some leftover high clouds up in Hart County. Munfordville, you're starting the morning at 55 degrees. Radar depicting that little piece of energy that slid through the area last night, early this morning, now off to the east of us. Cloud cover beginning to depart as well. Back in western Kentucky, skies have mostly cleared, but as we go through the day, you may see a mix of sun and clouds, but it's still going to be a very nice day. And we're starting with a nice number, 58 here, 59 Memphis, 39 Springfield, Missouri, 28 Kansas City, 48 St. Louis. The first question I know I can hear you saying, is that colder air coming this way? Well, yes and no, and I know that's kind of stretching it a bit, but yes, we're going to stay warm. No, we're not going to see cold air, but we will see some cooler air by the time the weekend arrives. For now, it's going to stay back to the west of us. We are 26 degrees warmer than we were in this half hour just yesterday. And here's the setup for you. Cold front is in the area, and that was what set off some of our sprinkles last night, but it's not going to come completely through southern Kentucky. In fact, it's going to start to retreat today back to the northwest as a warm front, because a wave of low pressure is actually developing back into our southwestern states. And as it does get organized, get a little bit more energy, Gulf moisture becomes more abundant. As we get into Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening, we'll see a new round of showers and thunderstorms, and it looks like maybe some heavy rain out of this Wednesday night into Thursday. Possibly even some strong thunderstorms, too, that we'll keep an eye on. Partly sunny, warm today, 76. Then for tonight, 53 under a partly cloudy sky. Tomorrow, we'll make it back to 75, warm and breezy, with a chance of showers and thunderstorms Wednesday night. Off and on during the day Thursday, but we think we'll get a little bit of a break Thursday evening. into early Friday before the cold front comes through. That's when we'll see a high of 73 with falling temperatures. And yes, it will be cooler for the weekend, but not cold. High temperatures will be in the low 60s, our average high 65. So those numbers not too far off of the mark.